going to Chinatown in Bangkok is a trip. Bangkok just has everything. So this is in Yaowarat, I believe in the Ultong area. And after being in Bangkok for this long, this is the first time I actually took the MRT and I took it to come here. So this is the kind of place, just like everywhere else, you don't come with a plan, you just do. You just do. 1 minute you're saying you're just looking, and the next minute you're buying food you cannot pronounce. Just because your friend says that it smells good, let's try it. So it's on me. Whenever you go to any kind of food market, are you brave to try everything? Or do you just wait for somebody else to taste it first? Because I'm brave, but ever so often there's scouts and small mercies. I have scouts with me. You think you would have tried our pizza flavor sausage? And now we are going to do all these different products. Shakes, ice cream, these 3D ice cream popsicles. So they're cute, the 3D design, shapes, and they even have little sayings on the stick. Marketing, excellent. Visuals, great. The taste, it's pretty. And not everything pretty have substance, and that actually applies to ice cream as well. Yeah, these damn bugs. So now I need to ask, who is eating this? Who here will eat that? I had too much bugs. Let me go to my happy place, and my happy place will always be tea. Always be tea. Gosh, I can't remember how much differences I bought, but yes. You don't find this tea kind of looks like something? Look at it closely. Does it remind you of anything? Maybe just me. And this dude here just living his best life, singing, performing, with shame over, thinking just yeah, he is, and he was a whole vibe. And then they have this display where they just turn waste into art. Look at it. It's bottles and waste. And it's just a reminder, people can make something interesting out of what other people throw away. And that's facts, boy. Look at that. At the end, I was just really overstimulated. And, I get why people love Chinatown, but it was time to go. And we hopped back on the MRT and we headed out. What were your China food to be? Sweet, spicy? Well, mine ended climbing these stairs and counting calories.